In the quiet hush of an early spring, a lone wasp stirs, drawn from its winter slumber by the sun's gentle touch. Its wings are still sluggish, so it crawls softly through the crisp morning, weaving between the buds just beginning to bloom. One of my favorite things to bear witness to is watching life come back into motion. This little wasp was crawling around looking for little bits of wood and something to eat. Its movement still a little sluggish from the winter's rest. Analyzing, exploring, evaluating. This is a world reborn, fragile.